Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today I'm going to share with you something that my sister got for me. So this little guy right here, his name is Destin, as in Destin Beach. I love that beach. It's gorgeous. Anyway, I received him, I probably had him about a year now, almost a year. And my sister fixed him up for me. She gave him some sleepy eyes and some eye chips. Those of you that are not familiar with these type dolls, they're Blythe dolls and their eyes change. Let's see, there we go. Boom. Ooh, look at those eyes. I like those eyes. We're going to leave them at that. Anyway, he didn't have any clothes. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought some like Barbie clothes. I guess they're more like Ken clothes. And there were these little shorts in there. And I know when my sister finished customizing him, he did come with a little outfit she gave to me. But that's pretty much all he had. So I put this little t-shirt on from our virtual Blythe retreat last year. And so I'm actually in Florida. I'm at my mom's house, and Tammy came to visit yesterday. She's from Peacecraft Dolls, by the way. You should go check her channel out. She's got all kinds of cool stuff over there. But anyway, let me show you what she brought me. She got me one of these. Isn't that cool? Do you even know what it is? Let's open it up. So from what I understand, they don't make these dolls anymore, but they're called Creatable World. And in this particular box, you got a doll and a wig, and you got a little jacket, 2 tops, 2 bottoms, 2 skirts. Is that 3 pair of shoes? A pair of glasses, a hat, and a little bag. So as you can see here, you could either have a boy doll or a girl doll. Let me show you here. This is how they come. He's a boy. I'm going to keep him as a boy. And all these clothes will actually fit Destin. Here's one of the pairs of shoes that came in this little outfit box thing. Aren't they cute? And they fit him perfectly. All right, let's see what's in here. Let's look at the doll first. I can get him out. I don't want to pop his head off. There we go. Ooh, he's light. He's not really heavy. Let's compare him. All right, of course the heads are way different. But the bodies look to be about the same. He looks a little taller. But size-wise, they're about the same. All right, so here's the doll. I've got a little short haircut there. Comes with a wig. You could add that. Let's see, how does this work? There. I'm not going to use this though. I don't have a whole lot of boy dolls, so I'm going to make him a boy. All right, what clothes do we have here? Oh, I have a pair of glasses. Let's see. All right, these are not exactly the easiest. Oh, okay. So I had to flip it over because the little arms of the glasses are poked through some holes. Okay, we have glasses there. And let's see. Let's just look what we have here. So we have these pants. A little patchwork. Those are cute. Let's see, they'd look good on him. Or him. We have some hammer pants. And they're Velcro in the back here. And then we have this top with the monkey on it. And everything's supposed to, you know, coordinate. Like you could wear this. You could wear these. Here's a nice little button-down top. Look at that. Looks nice. And there's a little skirt in here. I wonder if this would fit. Hang on a second. Let me get one of these dolls up here. I'm going to get this little girl. Now this is a Blythe midi. She's a little bit smaller. I wonder if the skirt would fit her. I bet I could adjust it to fit her. Let's see what else we have here. We have a hat, a little beret here. Oh, that's cute. You know what I might do? I might take a little hair clip and glue this on there, and then I could just put it in her hair as a hair clip. I like that. I might do that. And then we have this little jacket here. They're pretty good quality. I mean, I've seen better quality, but believe me, I've seen worse. And I think this is a bag. That's pretty. Little lion. It's a good size for her. It's kind of giving you a comparing of the sizes here. But this is a midi. And let's see, we have shoes. Okay, we have boots. Look at those. And they're slit in the back, so they're going to be easy to put on and off, which is a good thing because when you look at his feet, they're articulated there. And if you're not careful, you could probably pull his foot off. I don't want to do that. Now, these shoes look like girl shoes. And they should fit one of my girls up here. Let's see. Who needs shoes? Here, let's try this one. By the way, this doll right here, she had a spinning head. My sister fixed it. And she's going to be posting video all about that. So you should go check that out. She has one of those neck joints that helps her, you know, to have more. See, she was looking way down like that, but now she can look up. And before, her head was a spinning, but not anymore. Anyway, those shoes fit her really nicely. So that's nice. Okay, I'm going to get this guy dressed, and then I'll be right back. So I got them all dressed. I switched out their little outfits here. His little VBR shirt I put on him and added the jeans. He's going barefoot. And then this one, little hammer pants from the Creatable World put on, and a little monkey shirt. So let me know what you think about the Creatable World dolls. Do you have one? Have you seen one before? Do you wish they'd come back? I do. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for joining me. You have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative signing out for now. Bye-bye.